guys, welcome back to Mrozinski Family Homestead. So today we only have enough time in the day. We're gonna burn these boards, and if we have enough time, then we'll go ahead and put them on. But yeah, I just drug them all the way over here. Now we're gonna get them set up off the ground because it is dry out here, and we do not want it catching everything on fire. We moved it over here closer to the garden area so that way if something does get out of control, then we do have water over there to help. So I guess let's get to work. Let's get to burning these logs. This is the first, or these boards, this is the first time of us burning any kind of wood material. So we're just going to test it out and see how it does. Alright guys, so now that these are up off the ground, we're going to get the propane tank and the torch wand, and we're going to show y'all how to properly hook that up, and we're going to talk about and show y'all exactly which one we got. We got ours from Harbor Freight. We have the Greenwood propane torch with the trigger start. Like I said, this is our first time using it. We've never used it. The only thing we've done was open the box and look at it. So we're gonna hook this to it says that it's easy hook up to our propane tank. So we're gonna show y'all how we're going to hook it up. And we're gonna show y'all how it works and how it does. There is a little bit of wind today, which is I'm thankful for, but we're gonna see how this torch does with the little bit of wind. Now when you pull it out, they have all kinds of plugs on it, but we've already taken the plugs off. If you look at it, hang on, I don't want this piece touching the ground. Okay, if you look at it, you got your trigger button start right here, and on top is how much of the gas flow you want, and then your trigger for the gas. So it should do pretty good. I am not knocking it. We have many uses for this in our garden in the coming months. So we're gonna see if it works and see how well it works. This is actually a hookup. On the end of it is actually a hookup for the propane tank. I also got to get the wrench out of the box. It does come with a wrench, so that way you can make sure you get it tight to the propane tank and you have no propane leaks. You always want to make sure that you are very cautious when using any kind of fire products or torch products or anything. Just please be very careful. Alright guys, so to show y'all how easy it is to hook these two things together, I'm going to show you, and then I'll allow my husband to go back behind me to make sure that it is tight and that it does work. So I just pulled my cap off of my propane tank. Now, everyone knows that lefty is loosey, righty is tighty, but in this case, when installing the end of your hose to the tank, it is opposite. So lefty is tighty, righty is loosey. Y'all, that messed up a girl's mind.
So that's just so people don't mess up and create a bomb.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you do it and do it right. Okay.
There you go.
All right, guys. So we're gonna take this. And actually, I think I just did what I said I wouldn't do.
Well, you have to do that straight, make it straight.
Alright, so you're going to make it, and just turn it in there. And then when you can't turn it no more with your fingers, that's when you get the little 22 7/8 little wrench that they sent. And you just make sure you tighten it up until you cannot turn it no more at all. Now my tank is still off, it's not on. I want to make sure that I get everything in there and make sure it gets tight. And Steven, you want to come turn this? Yeah, you don't want to do that. It's tight. Okay, so now that it is on here, we are going to test it. So let's get set up.
Turn the tank on, Mama.
And I felt it come through the line. I was hoping that it wasn't going to explode on us. And it didn't. So we are in business. Do you want to do this?
Yeah, I can do it.
Because I'm nervous.
When you're doing this, you do want to crack your gas on so the gas comes out before you hit the ignite button. You don't want to do it wide open. You just want to crack it on a little bit. And as you can see, you can start to see the flame.
Yeah.
Turn the flame on, how much gas you want to use. You hit the trigger for the pressure.
I didn't say burn the gas.
Did all right, because everything's so dry out here. The grass is starting to catch on fire and everything else, and you'd have water handy, which we do have water, but it's a hot job on a hot day.
Okay, so I will say this, just because when you're using this thing, if you do not see a flame at the end of it, does not mean that it's not burnt. A lot of the times, even like right now, like when he moves across, it doesn't look like it's burning at all. Like it doesn't look like there's a flame on it. But let me tell you, there's a flame on it because it's just heating the wood up. See, like when he's holding it out, the description below, and y'all go check it out. We're super excited about it. Y'all, it smells so good. Don't even get me crazy happy as.
Hey y'all, I'm taking a break. I'm sweating. It is a hot job to do that, especially when it's 100 degrees outside.
Well, actually, like you were saying, we're not gonna put these on the shed today. We're gonna wait a few days, just because these shed poles are made out of cedar, and they're warm. Like, I could pick them up and I could flip them, but I just don't want to risk burning our shed down.
Yeah.
So
the cedar poles still have like the porous, you know, like the real
bark on it.
The real like stringy bark. If y'all know what cedar looks like, and they're not stripped down, so it still has it. And I'm afraid that if these being warmer and warm to the touch, I don't want them to catch on fire, because it's very easy to catch that kind of bark on fire when it gets warm or with a flame. So
I want to thank everyone for watching, and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Please continue to watch our content, and I just wanted to say, may God bless you like He has blessed us, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.
See y'all. Have a good one.